making my mom's summer pork ribs, and I love these ribs. It's a two-step process, and we're starting with a marinade, but then we're gonna finish with my new sweet barbecue sauce from Williams-Sonoma. So the first step has been done. I had this marinade that's a combination of soy sauce, and it's brown sugar and molasses, really adds some nice flavor, and I've marinated these ribs overnight. And now they're ready to go in the oven, low and slow, for about 3 hours. I'm gonna cover them with foil because I wanna make sure and keep them nice and moist. I don't want them to dry out. They're gonna go in for 3 hours, and then when they come out, we'll put some of this sweet rib barbecue sauce on and put them back in the oven just to add sweet, sweet goodness to these ribs. So these ribs are fully cooked and they're nice and tender, and now I'm gonna slather on this sweet rib barbecue sauce from Williams-Sonoma. And what I love about this sauce is that it is exactly like the sauce that my mom made every summer, and I love this sauce. It just thickens and gets sweeter as it cooks. You wanna liberally slather on this sauce, and it's just that perfect blend of sweet with a little bit of tang to it. So I'm gonna put the ribs back in the oven for 30 minutes just to let this kind of caramelize, and then I'll even put them under the broiler just to make them even sweeter and stickier. This is the perfect family meal. This is exactly what I grew up on. My mom's ribs with this sweet rib sauce. It's so, so good. Got corn on the cob and slaw and biscuits. What more could you want? I hope that you will share your summer with me and Williams-Sonoma. Check out my new summer food collection at williamssonoma.com.